Kabesi, father, the greatest leaders in our country, the Oshiwe of the great Ondo kingdom. So we are this afternoon before you to present to you what has happened to this kingdom. An idea was conceived for a marathon. Kabesi, you're familiar with a marathon. A marathon is an international sporting event that if it's taking place anywhere in the world, the attention of the world is drawn to it. And one of your sons conceived the idea of hosting the marathon, which was well attended. It was well publicized and well attended. We have people coming from all over the country, including neighboring countries. Indeed, one of the winners is from Benin Republic. This is to confirm the fact that the marathon was an international event. Kabesi, it was successful. We recorded no any unfortunate incident except glory and honor to Ondo people. Kabesi, we want to thank you for your leadership. We want to honestly appreciate you and pray and ask God to continue to grant you long life, the greatest wisdom to continue to father us. This marathon that started today, it is our intention that it would outlive us. We intend to promote it year in, year out. By the tradition of marathon, it is going to grow from this marathon into the status of a bronze marathon, a silver marathon, and a gold marathon. Kabesi, when it will raise to the status of bronze, silver, and gold, the tourist potential associated with it will be very huge, because we are going to have citizens of the world coming to Ondo about this time to participate in the marathon. Kabesi, we will seek your cooperation, that you will engage Ondo sons and daughters to see this project as a franchise of the Ondo heritage. I want to thank my friend and my brother and the wife for this initiative, and to sincerely appreciate the winners who are before you, those who have rendered the technical service to make it successful, and above all, God who has sent us all through this. Kabesi, we want to promise you that we will continue to do everything that will bring honor and glory to this great kingdom.
Adebayo, Kábíyèsí o. Wọ́n ẹ ṣe wọ̀nyí bí ó kọ Kábíyèsí ẹ̀mí ṣe. Ìyọ̀ ní bá ti wọ Ondo, ó ti wọ ilẹ̀ Kábíyèsí. Òní bá mọmi náà Ondo, mọmi Kábíyèsí. Òní bá jẹun náà Ondo ti jẹun Kábíyèsí. Ìgbà wá láti ilé òdu. Àwọn olórí ọ̀tá bọ̀.
Compliments of the city. How are you? You're welcome.
Káàbọ̀ olórí. Ní àwa sí Ondo, àwa ṣe marathon bí mínísítà ṣe sọ báyìí. Marathon ìgbé àgbáyé ti ṣe, ìlú ẹgbẹ́ ti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ àti mọ̀ọ́dúnlẹ̀. A rí kàlẹ́ndà àwọn marathon àgàwá ṣùgbọ́n dọ́tọ̀ náà fẹ́ bẹ̀ẹ̀ díẹ̀ kí àkọ́kọ́ ṣe tó àtàṣe káàkiri ṣùgbọ́n a limited díẹ̀ bí wọ́n bá dẹ́mi sí wádà ọ̀tọ̀ rẹ̀ wá àtòbí sí àwọn ó ṣe àyùṣe orí bẹ̀ èèyàn mẹ́ta àwọn yìí tàwọn ọkùnrin ọ̀nà ọkọ̀gbà 1 million bákejì ẹgbà 500,000 bákejì ẹgbà 250 tàwọn obìnrin ọ̀nà ọgbà àkọ́kọ́ ṣe 1 million náà bákejì ẹgbà 500,000 kẹta ẹgbà 250 ìyàní kàtígórì àwọn ọmọ ìtàn torí òní àwọn kékeré àrí ó sá 15.6 kilometers ó parí ẹ̀ within 1.5 hours. Stand up. 5 seconds. There. Come. Àwọn ọmọ ọdún méjì kejì ti rí ṣeré. Àkàwà rẹ̀ níta. Àkọ́wọ́ lé wọn lọ. Bí a ti kéjù. Ìgbà kẹ́ sọkún àwọn máa pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. So àwọn gbà 50,000. And custody of 2 ministers. Okay, this is the senior minister. Senior minister is to power 2, and then the minister of sports at more scholarship one. So anyway, let's say this. There one obìnrin àṣedada ẹ̀wọ̀n òkú ṣẹlẹ́sì ìkẹwàá àbú 50,000 kò wọ́n ẹ̀rọ olúkàlùkù wá sílẹ̀ òwò gbà certificate. So our official report àbúkọ kábíyèsí so they were fi tó bá tẹ́ wọn àwọn royal commission kò wá látà royal marathon kábíyèsí o. Okay. Yes. Organizer. Steven. Okay. Director of sports. Yeah. Steven, you're from Akure? Start rolling from there.
Good afternoon. My name is Godwin Osibeni. I work with your son, Prince Adewole and Adebayo. I'm from Ondo State.
My name is Muhammad Mustafa Alfa. I'm from Nasarawa State, gubernatorial candidate 2023, Nasarawa State.
Orúkọ mi ni Adewole Abimbola. Èmi ni National Legal Advisor, Social Democratic Party.
As the son of the past Oluwo. Steven, your name?
Abayo. Orúkọ mi ni Stephen Adewale. Mo jẹ́ ọmọ bíbí ìlú Àkúrẹ́. Mo ti jẹ́ ọmọ iṣẹ́ Prince Adewole Adebayo. Mo ní ọjọ́ iṣẹ́ àwọn committee marathon. Kábíyèsí o, aláyé ń kí ọ, ọmọ yín, Venerable Nelson Fàdélù, ẹ kú iṣẹ́ ìlú olórí wa, ẹ pẹ́ fún ọ.
Àbáyé o,
Láyé ń kí ọ.
Ó kọ́ mi Gbénga Akíndolí. Mo ṣe state chairman SDP ní Ondo ìdẹ̀tún ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú Prince Adewole Adebayo gẹ́gẹ́ bí amòfin ní ṣẹ́mbàṣẹ́ ẹ̀. Àbáyé o.
Ayé ń kí ọ.
Àbáyé o.
Ayé ń kí ọ.
Bọ̀dé Fábíyì sà, mo jẹ́ Director of Sport Ondo Ekimogo Youth Congress. Mo dẹ̀ wà lára àwọn planning committee marathon yìí sà.
Láyé ń kí ọ.
Rẹ̀mí jẹ́ sí ìta, owó ṣe ń kọ́ mi. Ìgbọ̀n bí mi sí, pẹ̀lú olùmọ́ dàgbà sí. Àpamọ́ kan yìí ní ìgbẹ̀gbẹ̀ láti kí ní ṣàjọ kúrò nínú pé àjèjò jáde sí ilé college. Ó ìwé títí ṣì. Mo ní ilé tí ṣe. Mo gúndé o, dídé wọn ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ ìjọra. Àpẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ayé.
Kábíyèsí o.
Láyé ń kí ọ.
Lórí ọba
Àṣẹ.
Pàṣẹ.
Àṣẹ.
Orúkọ mi ni Olú ọmọ Agúnlóyè lóyìnbó. Ọmọ Ìdòwé èrí o. Ọmọ Olú méjì. Ọmọ Àkókó. Ọmọ Ìdòwé kíló. Àbáyé o.
Láyé ń kí ọ.
Wọ́n pàdé lọ ṣe ẹ̀jìnà kárìkì fún àdógún. Ààrẹ ọ̀dọ́ nílùú Ondo.
Yes, the winner, just name their names. Okay. Stand up.
Bàálé ìdíje yìí ọmọ wa Barrister Prince Adebayo ló gbé àlẹ̀ ọkọ̀ àwọn ọ̀dọ́ nínú wọn láti lè jẹ́ àgbègbè ní Nàìjíríà àti whole world. Wọ́n ní ó ṣe ipò àkọ́kọ́ ló ń win ní prize money. Wọ́n ní ó ṣe Shehu Muazu Adamu of Plateau State of
Kábíyèsí o.
Láyé ń kí ọ.
My name is Shehu Muazu Adamu, participant from Plateau State. I'm grateful, sir.
Màá ọlọ́ṣẹ́ ipò kejì wọ́n ní ó ṣe mẹ́fọ̀ gọ́fìn wọ́n ṣe ipò kejì.
Kábíyèsí o. My name is Memphor Madias from Plateau State.
Ọlọ́ṣẹ́ ipò kẹta wọ́n ní ó ṣe Àgàní Ìdúzó.
Kábíyèsí o. Láyé ń kí ọ.
My name is Adewole. I come from the Republic. I'm grateful.
Àdé tí àwọn obìnrin àfíbò wọ́n ṣe ọ̀nà àkọ́kọ́ ó sá ilé nìmi kàwé.
Kábíyèsí o.
Láyé ń
My
kí
name
ọ.
is Afin Esther from Kwara State. Very grateful, sir.
Ọdún kejì jẹ́ Bailon. Bàbá yìí ẹ̀sẹ̀ ọlọ́lẹ̀ ìbílẹ̀fù. Tòmúlò ọ̀bí ẹ̀sẹ̀ ní wáyé. Wọ́n rẹpísẹ́ǹtì Nàìjíríà rí. Wọ́n ní ọṣẹ́ ipò kejì. David Joy Abiye.
Kábíyèsí o.
Láyé ń kí ọ.
Lórí o.
Àṣẹ.
Orúkọ mi ni David Abiye Joy from Ondo State. Òbí ti pupa, ìdèjọ́ òbí ti pupa.
Àwọn tí olórí kó kẹta náà wọlé ó ṣe Àlàbí Olúwayẹmísí. Ọmọ wa ń bẹ̀rẹ̀.
Kábíyèsí o.
Láyé ń kí ọ.
Orúkọ mi ni Yẹ́misí Àlàbí from Ondo State.
Àwọn ló ṣe àwọn kékeré gan dáhùn ìlẹ̀ kan. Bàmọ́kùnrin àwọn gan ṣáájú mi èmi rí pé nàmbà 700. Òun ìlànà ọmọ kékeré ní Ayọ̀ Tèjì Vincent.
Láyé ń kí ọ. Láyé ń kí ọ.
Òkú kẹta obìnrin Blessing Sunday.
Kábíyèsí o.
Láyé ń kí ọ.
The blessing from Ondo State.
àwọn olóko ṣe láti oko ẹlẹ́kàáké náà ká ìtọ́jú ara wọn lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan láti nàbà
1 kí àwọn ministers wa ọ̀kan minister lè supervisor ọ̀kan lè supervisor yìí jẹ́ mẹ́mọ̀ mínì lè supervisor lè supervisor ministers wọ́n mọ̀ wọ́n sí òun they are special people olú àgbẹ̀lẹ̀ and I greet you. I just cannot thank you sufficiently. I thank you. For obvious reasons, because marathon is an international event. We speak a bit of English, while at the same time, I want to respect the dialect of Ondo. So if I mean, it is just for the international audience. That's not what we are doing. Yes, now coming to our own son whom we are well pleased. Barrister Adewole, Barrister Prince Adewole Adebayo. Why greeting you are also greeting your special wife? Greeting your special wife. You all know is also my daughter. I want to thank you as well. Now, somebody defined what marathon is. A long distance race. But apart from being a long distance race, it's something that has a lot of advantages. It has a lot of advantages. One, it enables one to plan ahead of anything. Because it's often said that marathon races is more individualistic than anything at all. Some will start fast, some will start slowly, some will pick it up, irrespective of whatever. But individuals, different people will have to run their individual race. So I thank you for bringing this to the knowledge of our people. Again, it helps us to develop our endurance. It helps to inspire. Whoever can do well in marathon and said to be highly disciplined. You need to be disciplined. So for all this, I want to thank Barrister Adewole for bringing this into our community. And may fully well the kind of person you are that whatever you start, it's not just that you finish, but you finish is that you keep improving. And for this, we already know those that perform very well. In fact, the idea of marathon is not just for one, it's not just for the position. The participation itself is something that is very, very important because it brings people of diverse origin together. For bringing this to this community, mostly I want to thank you. Now, some people eventually came first. And again, something actually makes me happy. That's the fact that people are here from different parts of Ondo State, different parts of Nigeria, and in fact from the entire world, from outside. So I want to thank you. A winner is eventually in mind. I congratulate you. Thank you, Mr. Who was made to understand came from Plateau State. And I'm sure yes, as one of the factors responsible for that is because of the hills of the altitude Because they are used to this small city, considering the height, so they are already used to all that. I congratulate you.
Thank you.
The Almighty God will be with you. Amen. I also congratulate all of us, particularly the people of this kingdom, that no serious event happened during the course of 1 year. Nobody collapsed, nobody died, nothing. So we thank God for that. So coming to the person that comes first, I hope we'll be coming here anytime we organize it. And I can assure you that the Ondo religion will definitely beat you during the next. Once again, I thank you. Now, you have already been given the millions and thousands and all that. I congratulate you. We are going to give you something to indicate that you came here to take part in an event organized by us. And the event is the kind of event that we are in support of the event and we're happy with the outcome. So we'll be coming forward one by one to be decorated. Is that okay? Yes. So I wish you the best of you. Thank you. You can start with them. Oh, somebody.
What organized it? First, second, third. Let us carry your particular.
Yes, sir. And your wife will also be here. The people of illness will yes, sir. Everything. Better.
That's correct. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Second position. Get closer. Get closer.
Ladies,
Fourth positions.
Ladies, first position, ladies.
Go closer.
Ladies first, sir.
Ladies are for
Okay.
Second.
Congratulations. One thing you can see in this, you see that that's the type I'm wearing. What you are now a citizen of Ondo Kingdom. The edge, you will see what is written there. Ondo City. For culture, dignity, and education, enterprise. So just not just putting it on your neck. When you get to study what is written, where is congratulations. Hope you will keep it up.
Yes, the
children, yeah. One.
Wait, decorate up until now. Well, I'm not going to decorate.
Go on. That side. Okay.
Okay.
You decorate it.
On behalf of Kabiyesi. I'm assisting you.
It's okay. Congratulations.
Who is the future world champion? That's it. Okay, no, you have okay, yes. Oh, please. The director in chief. Other minister, come on, commission. They are used to commissioning.
So you will decorate them.
You can decorate somebody.
Leo by
Okay, one by one more person. Go. It's happening. Okay, organizer, where is the organizer? On behalf of your commission, not for you.
One block in Washington, DC.
On behalf of your committee, the organizer, you are. The rest of you will get it. The rest of you will get it.
Okay. Should we read that one?
So all of you can go outside. Come and see join us.
Koikimedia bringing the work closer to your doorstep.
Check up.
Fault.
It's a check, it's not
Okay, some will be on the floor. Some will be on the floor. Go down. Our men.
okay, look at you. Listen, go ahead and see that. Come and join me at home.
Koikimedia bringing the work closer to your doorstep.
kò yẹ kán jẹ́ kó blọ́ọ̀kì tó mọ yẹn náà kò yẹ kán fún wa space ni ẹ̀ náà ẹ wo ẹ sọ fún wọn kò yẹ kó blọ́ọ̀kì tó mọ yẹn ọmọ yẹn ó kéré kò yẹ kán jẹ́ kó blọ́ọ̀kì ẹ̀.
Lift it up.
Lift it up.
Jẹ́ ó gbé sókè kí ló ṣe mọ́. Lọ́bì ọ̀rọ̀ lè wọ national ọmọ láàrin.
Your Excellency, we have more than enough, sir. Koikimedia bringing the world closer to your doorstep. You can see now that the cabinet of Ondo City, you all come out to where you are. With the winner of the marathon taking a picture. So the picture, we have taken the picture finish now. We are going to end up this broadcast for today. And you know, Koikimedia is always grand way for you people that is loving Koikimedia and is watching Koikimedia. And now we are going to put the broadcast into end today. But we are still coming for more and more and more program that will happen and come up and come up on Koikimedia platform. For you people that is watching us, thank you so very much.
Yeah, just sorry about that.
Koikimedia bring to your doorstep.